Hi guys, this is my second video. I am playing racing game, so let's start. So now let's start the race. Select race mode. Sorry for that. Day. So let's start. I'm changing the angle. Ooh. Let's overtake. Yeah. We can't overtake him. He's too speed. But I am trying my best. No. I want to lose him. Sha. Yeah. I won. I didn't won, but I'm in front of him. Oh my god. Where is he? He is back. We are the winner. Yeah. I went and dashed him. Sorry for that. Next. So start. Oh, I am in third position. Means I should to overtake two people. So here we share. We should over this two guys. Oh, what a dash! I am in fifth position. No, yes. They are too fast. But I am also in two speed. I am in fourth position. Shah. They are too fast. Oh. No. Shit. I am the. I can't. I can. I not. No. Not. No. Yeah, no. Shit. No. Next. Start the race. this. Start the race. This time my position should be first. Oh my god, this time my position is fifth. No. This is oh no. No. Their vehicles are little faster than me. No, they are controlling much better than me. I'm going and hitting them. I am fourth position again. This orange one is a little fast. This is the nice. Oh shit. That was a nice chance to go front, but no. Shit. This time I should hit him. Let's. Oh yeah. Yeah, I am third. Okay. Let's come this time first. Let's play this last time. This time I will come first. No. Sorry for that, guys. Sorry for that. This is the last match I will play. Angry of this side, guys. Sorry. Start the race. No, I should be first position. Means starting this. Let's do. Yeah, I'm second. Who is the first one? Let's check. Oh shit, he's a very well racer. Turn here. I can't leave them front. He is a well racer, but not than me. And the first. Let's wait for them. Shall I do this? No. I will lose. Yeah, I will slow down here. But no. They are next. Hush. Okay, guys, bye. Thank you, and sorry for those ads. Bye bye.